For the vertebra, we have 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar. This is our sacrum and our coccyx. Each of the vertebrae have a spinous process, transverse process, articular process and fossa where they articulate with one another. The cervical vertebrae have transverse foramen, and then each of them also have a vertebral foramen. This here is the body of each vertebra. For the thoracic cavity, we have our clavicles, sternum. This is the manubrium of the sternum, the body, the xiphoid process. This region here is costal cartilage, and then we have 1 through 7 true ribs, and 8 through 12 are false ribs. For the pectoral girdle, we already said our clavicle. On the back side, our scapula consists of the body, spine, acromion, and then the glenoid cavity is where the head of the humerus articulates. For the humerus, we have the capitulum, the trochlea, the medial epicondyle, and deltoid tuberosity. This is your radius. The radius has a radial tuberosity and a styloid process. The ulna also has a styloid process, the olecranon, radial notch, and then the inside where it articulates is your trochlear notch. For the hand, we have carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Each of them have a base, a shaft, and a head. And for the phalanges, we have proximal, middle, and distal. For the pelvic girdle, this is your pubic symphysis. The large region is your ilium. The top is the iliac crest. The bottom back here where you sit is your ischium, and the front is the pubis. The big hole is the obturator foramen, and where the head of the femur articulates is known as the acetabulum. For the lower extremity, for the femur, we have a head, neck, body. This here is your greater trochanter. We have a medial condyle and a lateral condyle, your patella. Then on your tibia, we have a medial condyle and a lateral condyle. This here is the tibial tuberosity, medial malleolus. The lateral malleolus is on the fibula, and then where the fibula articulates is your fibular notch. For the foot, the heel bone is known as the calcaneus. The bone that articulates with the tibia is the talus. Then these are just tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges. You can stop.